Okay, what is firm's demand curve? What is a firm's demand curve? Firm's demand curve is a curve showing a relationship between price of a firm and its quantity demanded in the market. A firm's price is always equal to its average revenue. We also know that firm's average revenue curve shows the relationship between price and output or quantity demand or quantity sold. Accordingly, we can state that firm's demand curve is same as average revenue curve for a firm. It is also called a firm's price line. So write down firm's demand curve is a curve which shows relationship between price
and quantity.
Yes, firm's demand curve shows the relationship between price and quantity demand. Quantity demand, or we can say quantity sold. Quantity sold. Yes. For a firm, the price is always equal to average revenue. Price is equal to average revenue. As we know, price or average revenue ये बराबर होते हैं. So the firm's average revenue curve shows a relationship between price and quantity sold. Thus, we can say, thus, the firm's average revenue curve. A firm's average revenue curve also shows a relationship between जिस तरह ये डिमांड करो रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन प्राइस एंड क्वांटिटी डिमांड शो करता है, इसी तरह एवरेज रेवेन्यू करो ऑफ ए फर्म आल्सो शोज रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन प्राइस एंड क्वांटिटी डिमांड.
Quantity demand.
Yes, relationship between
Price and quantity
demand. Price and quantity demand or quantity sold. Quantity demand and quantity sold are same.
Yes, sir.
So thus we can say that a firm's demand curve is same as average revenue curve. Thus, जब demand curve भी relationship between price and quantity demand दिखाता है, average revenue curve भी relationship दिखाता है price and quantity demand.
Price and quantity demand.
Yes, thus we can say demand curve of a firm is same as its average revenue curve. Thus a firm's demand curve is same. Thus a firm's demand curve is same as average revenue curve. Average revenue curve, or it is also called a price line. Thus,
price
demand curve of a firm is also called a price line. It is also called a price line. So a firm's demand curve or a firm's average revenue curve and a price line, they are same. They are same. Yes. इस तरह ये दिखाता है what is a firm's demand line or price line, also called a price line. What is its shape? So for a demand, for a firm, the price line is same, different in different market situations. A firm's price line is same as firm's average revenue curve, as we have discussed in this case. Under perfect competition, a firm's price line is horizontal.
Yes, sir.
ये तो next है, ये लिख लिया आपने?
Yes, sir.
ये इस तरह क्वेश्चन है, what is the shape of a firm's price line in different markets? What is the shape of price line or demand curve or average revenue curve what is the shape of price line of a firm in different markets, in different market forms, in different markets में क्या है इसकी shape? अगर perfect competition है, ये है monopoly है, so a firm's price line is same as average revenue curve. So अभी हमने discuss किया है, a firm's price line is same as a firm's average revenue curve. एक फर्म की एवरेज रेवेन्यू कर्व सेम है, इट इज प्राइस लाइन एंड इट इज डिमांड कर्व अंडर परफेक्ट कंपटीशन. सो वी हैव डिफरेंट मार्केट फॉर्म्स. परफेक्ट कंपटीशन है, मोनोपोली है, मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन है. अंडर परफेक्ट कंपटीशन, yes, under perfect competition, firm's price line is horizontal line. A firm's price line or demand curve is a horizontal line parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. Because why? Because क्यों? Average revenue, because both average revenue and marginal revenue are equal. For a firm, the average revenue and marginal revenue are equal. They coincide each other. That is, average revenue and marginal revenue are equal in the perfect competition. Yes. इसी तरह अंडर monopoly or even or in the monopolistic competition in both these forms, firm's price line slopes downwards from left to right. A firm's price line slopes downwards from left to right. From left to right. Or we can say when average revenue slope is downwards, marginal revenue curve also downwards. So both the curves in monopolistic competition as well as in the monopoly, that is both average revenue curve and marginal revenue curves or curve, they slope downwards. Both curves slope downwards. जिस तरह अभी हमने देख लिया है, ठीक है. और we can say also marginal revenue is less than average revenue. Marginal revenue is less than average revenue. So we can say for a firm under perfect competition, the price line or demand curve or average revenue curve, they are horizontal lines parallel to x-axis, but in the monopoly and in the monopolistic competition, they are downward sloping curves. So if you take figure 1 for perfect competition, figure 1 मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा, ये यहाँ figure 1, ये अगर हमारी डायग्राम है, this is diagram, this software. Perfect competition. परफेक्ट कंपैरिजन में है। सो दिस इज द प्राइस लाइन, और एवरेज रेवेन्यू करो विच इज इक्वल टू मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू करो, यही है प्राइस लाइन।
Yes, sir.
For a firm, this is price line. OY shows average revenue, marginal revenue and price. इसका मतलब है कि अगर प्राइस ओपी है परफेक्ट कंपैरिजन में, firm can sell any quantity at the same price. So it can sell this much, this much, this much. It can increase or decrease its sales or this demand, but the price remains same. So this is the price line under perfect comparison. This is the price line under perfect comparison. This is the price line. इसी तरह अगर हम मोनोपोली और मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपैरिजन उठाएंगे, मोनोपोली एंड मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपैरिजन, तो उसमें डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग है प्राइस लाइन अंडर मोनोपोली एंड मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपैरिजन। तो फिगर 2, प्राइस लाइन इन मोनोपोली और इन मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपैरिजन वो इस तरह है। तो इफ इट इज एवरेज रेवेन्यू करो, so this is the marginal revenue curve.
Yes, sir.
So this average revenue curve, this is price line. This is price line.
That is your down slopes पे बना।
ये है ना डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग, जिस तरह डिमांड कर्व है।
Yes, sir.
Here for a firm, the demand curve is same as average revenue curve. उसी को हम प्राइस लाइन भी कहते हैं, उसी को हम डिमांड कर्व भी कहते हैं, इसी को हम एवरेज रेवेन्यू कर्व भी कहते हैं, because all lines show same relation between price and quantity demand. अगर OX पे quantity demand और quantity sold और OY पे price दिखाएंगे, so these curves shows a monopoly or a firm can sell more and more at lower price, less and less at higher prices. As price increases, the quantity demand or quantity sold, it decreases. As price increases, the quantity demand or quantity sold decreases. As price falls, the quantity demand rises at lower price, quantity demand falls at higher prices.
Higher price.
These are the price lines or demand curves for different for firms in different markets, in perfect market and in the monopoly market. Okay,
Yes, sir.
कल मैं shape of the revenue curves दे दूंगा, हैं?
Yes,
Revenue
sir.
curves, that is average revenue, यही वहां भी shape है, थोड़ी different है, monopoly and monopolistic comparison में थोड़ी difference है, वो हम कल discuss करेंगे. Okay?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. आज के लिए काफी है, कल मैं वो उठाऊंगा और ये भी डिस्कस करूंगा।
अल्लाह हाफिज सर।
ओके।